Today we are going to discuss two programs. The first program is write a program that will read a text file and display the longest line of that particular text file. What? It will read a text file and display the length of a longest line in the text file. So I have created a text file beforehand. This is the text file with which I am going to make the connection. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are there. Now as usual we use the open function, and with the open function I have passed two parameters. One is the name of the text file and one in which mode it is going to be open. R mode means it will going to be open in the read mode. Now I have written f is equal to open. Now you may have a lot of question, what is a f? F is a file object or file handle. In Python, f is a file object or a file handle, and it is a very important and useful tool, as through a file object or a file handle a Python program can work with the file stored on the hardware. What will going to be happen? It will be a very important and useful tool. Through file object or the file handle only, a Python program can work with files stored on hardwares. All the functions that we are going to perform on a data file are performed through the file object. Actually it is an reference. What is it? Is used for the reference. When you use file open, Python stored the reference and in the file object. What will going to happen? When you use the open, Python stored the reference in the file object. A file object of Python is a stream of bytes where the data can be read or byte by byte or line by line collectively. So we have understood what is the use of this f. F is a file object with that which we are going to do all the operations. Right now the red line which is red, suppose I have written asterisk print f, we are going to ignore. I am creating a one string, that is the blank string longest, and I initialize the blank. Now we have started the for loop. For line in f, it can be any variable. It can be any variable. What it will do? Inside the f, how many lines are there, the for loop will continue up to that. Inside the for loop, what will going to happen? Here the data has been stored line wise, /n is there. So when it will recognize, it will be a line. How many lines are there? Up to that the for loop will go on. Now the next line also we are going to ignore that. Afterwards I am going to discuss about that. If length of line, suppose line by line it will be there. First line, length of the first line, inside the line the first line has been stored, or second line is also stored, but it will be separated by the /n. So first line, length of the first line, if it is greater than the blank, then what will happen? It will go into the, I'll store the first line into the longest variable. Now next time what will going to happen? Suppose 4 lines are there. First line is, take the first line. It will judge that first line is longer than the length of the space or not. If it is there, first line has been stored in the longest. Loop will continue because I told you how many lines are there. Up to last line the loop will continue. Now what will going to be happen? Now in the line variable, the second line has been come. First line has already done. Second line has been come. Now if the second line is greater than the first line, obviously in the longest variable first line has been stored. If the second line is greater than the first line, then what will going to be happen? The value of the longest variable is going to be changed and second line is going to be stored over there. Now once again it will go over there, third line. Now if the third line is not greater than the second line, then the value of the longest is not going to be changed. The value of the longest, in the longest, the second line has been there. Now the fourth line, the length of the fourth line and the longest up to that second line is there. Now if the fourth line is length is greater than the second line, then in the longest the fourth line will store. If it is not, if the fourth line, the length of the fourth line is not longer than the second line, in this way what will happen, it will judge all the lines. Okay, now after that what it will do, it will print the longest line, the length, which line is the longest, that will going to be displayed, and the length of the line. Now I'll erase this one because the hash is make it a comment. So I have going to erase this one and we are going to see that one what is stored in the F. I'm running that one. If I run this one, you will see that this is the first thing. This is the first, this has been stored over there. The first line which I have highlighted. IO text wrap name is there, what is the mode encoding, these are going to, means all the references has been stored over there. Now I will just make it a comment. Now you are able to understand. Now we will see what is there in the line, what has been stored in this word line. I'll run this one. See this one, line is going to read, through the line we are going to able to read 4 lines. These are the 4 lines. Fine. Now means in the line, all the lines, line variable, all the lines are going to be stored over there. Now what we're going to, once again I am going to make it a comment because this is not required. Now we'll see the final result of that one. Out of 4 lines, an aeroplane is in the sky is the highest one because it is the largest line and the length is 27.